Have you ever been frustrated when your Vuex store updates automatically without you even calling any getters or committing any mutations? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this puzzling issue and finding out how to regain control over your Vuex store. I totally understand how concerning it is when your data changes unexpectedly. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues, especially when working with Vuex and router changes. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my Vuex store get automatically updated without calling any getters or committing any mutations when I change routes?" They mentioned that they only commit changes when the form is saved, but the data still updates when navigating away. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this unexpected behavior? Vuex is designed for state management, but sometimes two-way data binding can lead to unintended updates. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Vuex store more effectively. To address the issue of the Vuex store being updated automatically, the user should first check the data binding in their components. It's important to ensure that the data is not directly bound to the Vuex store unless intended. Next, the user should consider using computed properties to manage the data flow. This allows for a more controlled interaction with the Vuex store, preventing unintended updates. Additionally, the user can implement a watcher on the form data. This watcher can help track changes and only commit to the Vuex store when the user explicitly saves the data. Finally, the user should review their router configuration. If the router is causing the component to re-render, it may inadvertently trigger updates to the Vuex store. Did you know? Vuex was inspired by Flux, a state management pattern created by Facebook. It's fascinating how these concepts evolve to help us manage our applications better. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests avoiding direct binding of vModel to a Vuex getter. Instead, the user recommends using a local data property for input. This way, changes are only committed to Vuex when the user confirms their input, preventing unwanted updates during navigation. In the provided code, the user manages input changes locally and only updates the Vuex store when the confirm method is called. This ensures that data is not unintentionally modified when navigating away from the form. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always manage your data bindings carefully. This simple practice can save you from unexpected updates and data loss. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to control your Vuex store updates. Remember, careful data management is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Vuex techniques.